guys, good morning or good afternoon or good evening wherever you are in the world. I thought I'd do a video today. I'm out in Lynford Hall as always, but it's a bit of a cast day. But for once I've got my backpack, my tripod, the selection of lenses, and I'm actually shooting Canon. My Nikon lens, the 18-105, has unfortunately got a scratch on it, so it proper trashes images at the moment. Not if I don't do it myself anyway. But I'm out today in Lynford Hall. This part is called the Arboretum, and the colours here are not amazing today. They're acceptable, but they're nice. There's some nice colours in the bushes here. Some lovely, beautiful reds on the plants over there. Of course, bluebells that everybody's been thriving of over in Norfolk lately. It's absolutely stunning in this place. You could literally come here and just get lost. Look at these. Who needs a trampoline, hey? Nature's gym. Yeah, I'll just turn the camera around quickly. Just give you a little bit of a look around the Lynford Forest. Got a beautiful bush over there. And lovely lavender coloured plants. What do you reckon, eh? Lovely. Bluebells are still all up as well, which is amazing. I went somewhere with Angelica yesterday, another fantastic photographer. She's got a channel, I'll include her in the link, and Jennifer, both amazing portrait photographers and landscape photographers. But I'm going to try and attempt to put my drone up and have it follow me for a little while. Just so the footage is slightly different, I don't see my mug all the time, and obviously the still images involved. Plus the video footage will be a lot more stabilised than what I can do at the moment. Still not bought a stabiliser, but hey. As far as someone messaged me the other day, my channel is not monetized. It was set up for it, but unfortunately because I don't have subscribers and I have no intentions of growing this channel, it is literally for people to see. And basically if you want to like, subscribe, it's up to you. You know, there's no pressure. This channel is literally just for fun, unless otherwise stated. But 3 minutes into the video, I'm going to cut off, get my drone up, and I'll see you guys shortly. See you in a little while, guys. Take it easy. Hello guys, just a very quick video. This is my bag, it's been through hell. What's in my kit bag? My very untidy bag, all inserts here completely smashed to pieces. And my little DJI Spark, my 70 to 200mm L lens, full stabilisation, and a few little tricks in here, including my torpedo blower, and that's basically it. Very untidy bag, but hey, it does the job. It has seen better days. Of course, we've got my filters here, my new polarizer, I haven't even used that yet, batteries and cleaning cloth. Alright guys, excuse the shaky footage. I'm shaking like a leaf at the moment, plus I'm walking. Well, mission accomplished with the drone footage. I managed to get it up today without any hitches or glitches. And believe you me, if you look at the trees here, it's windy. I've watched many reviews online about the DJI Spark and handling in velocity rain and wind. I can confirm we have approximately 18 to 20 miles per hour winds, and she handled like a champ. At no given point was I at risk of losing it. Now, whether it's because my piloting skills are not or not, I don't know, but I've basically just done the whole of Lynford Hall. This is where I am. The Arboretum is just about over there, which you'll see in the featured video. They're only short clips because for some reason my Spark will only do like 30-second clips for some reason, so anybody that's got any hints or tips on how to get longer recording time, put a comment on their thing for me. But yeah, anyway, droning has been done some sweeping images. I think I even managed to get a panoramic up there, even though the wind is throwing it around. The app was going to me, Lee, what are you doing? What are you doing, boy? Yeah, again, you're ignoring the rules and doing this. One day I'm going to be unlucky and it's just going to go. And I'll be crying my eyes out then. But yeah, done for now. I'm going to stop recording because by the time I put stills in, do the editing of the pictures and the videos obviously is JPEG, so it's finished files, so that's not too bad. But by the time I put it together, I'm hoping and praying that this video for YouTube will be one of my best ones I've done yet. I'm not a professional by any means when it comes to video. I haven't got a clue. Most of my footage is either recorded on the iPhone 7 Plus or my 80D using auto ISO and just going with the flow basically. I'm not a videographer or nothing else. But yeah, I do try. Anyway, I'm going to head off now. Get some more pictures before heading home. Bump your steps up, get your legs going, get your blood pumping. So take it easy guys, and just remember, be safe out there.